Well, hello my algebros. This is going to be the first instructional video of the year called Fraction Reviews. So let's take a look at how we add and subtract fractions because it never changes, right? No matter if we're just using fractions that are only letters or if we use fractions that have numbers, it never changes. If I'm adding or subtracting, I must get a common denominator. The denominator is the bottom part of the fraction. So I have 2 and 4. How do I get the common denominator? Well, 4, if I factor it, is 2 times 2. So if that bottom number just had one more 2, then they could be the same or in common. So I'm just going to multiply the bottom by 2 in order to do that, to keep everything equal, because in algebra everybody gets the same. We multiply the bottom and the top to keep that equivalent. And now that we have a common denominator, we can focus on the numerator, which is the bottom part, right? I mean the top part, the top part of the fraction. So now I just get to add these because this is an addition problem. If it was subtraction, I'd subtract them, but this happens to be adding. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and the denominator stays the same because that's the type of pieces that we have cut it into. And we'll talk more about that in class. Right? Then you simplify as needed. This is already simplified. We don't need to do that. And in middle school, you learned this thing about having improper fractions. There's nothing improper in high school. If this was 4 over 3, we would just leave it alone. Okay? All right. It's only if you can simplify because there's something that they can both reduce by. We'll talk more about that. Okay, multiplying and dividing fractions. This is the easy one, guys. Multiplying, dividing, super duper easy. And when you get into just letters, the same thing is true. The multiplying is so easy. We just, wait for it, multiply straight across. That's it. So 1 times 1 over 2 times 4, which is 1 over 8. Can't reduce, and we're done. Okay? Dividing, we use an acronym called keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction, we change the sign to multiplying, and we flip the second. We call this multiplying by the reciprocal, or I like to say the reflipical. And now again we're multiplying, so we go back to multiplying again where we just multiply straight across. 1 times 4 over 2 times 2, which gives us 4 over 4, which reduces to just 1. All right, just a really quick video to help you out. Hope you're having fun. I'll see you soon.